This is a poor man's Sauvage. I first learned about this in 2019. It was hyped in the fragrance community as the best Sauvage clone. Back then, I wasn't ready yet to buy the OG. For me, it was too expensive. I joined the hype train on this one, and I blind bought a full bottle, a 100 ml bottle, which costed around 17 US dollars. This is a clone of Sauvage EDP, but this has an eau de parfum concentration. This smells very close to the OG, to Sauvage EDP. They both have that fresh out of the shower vibe. Both of them also has that synthetic metallic vibe. But to my nose, the OG Sauvage EDP performs better. Sauvage EDP is stronger. You can wear this dress up or casual. You can pull this off any time of the year, any occasion. You can use this daytime or nighttime. The scent profile of this, similar with Sauvage, is generally likable and generally mass appealing. Although there are people who doesn't like the metallic vibe. There are people who doesn't like Ambroxan. I personally experienced some friends of mine who were disgusted with the smell of this. But partly it was my fault because I oversprayed. So what I can advise, if you will use this, be careful with the trigger. Avoid overspraying. I have used this going to work, going to office. I also have used this when hanging out with my friends. And what I noticed was women like the scent profile, but in my experience, I received more compliment from guys when using this one. Uh, in my world, this is more of a boxer dropper rather than a panty dropper. Maybe it's different in your world. So, is this worth buying? If you like Ambroxan, if you like Sauvage, definitely yes. For the price, you have nothing to lose with this perfume. Right now, I can buy this for around 15, 16 US dollars for a 100 ml bottle. If I'm going to rate this from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I'm going to rate it 10 because it only costs 16 US dollars for a 100 ml bottle. And for that price, you'll be able to have that Sauvage experience. Sauvage costs how much? Around 80, 85 US dollars. In my opinion, if you're a guy, go ahead and buy this one. Every guy should be able to experience that Sauvage vibe. And for the price of this one, it's a no-brainer. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you have this in your collection? Do you like this? Do you like Sauvage? Do you like Ambroxan? Thank you and see you on the next one.